As the title implies, to be a good data scientist or a good data analyst, you need a good understanding of mathematics or likely statistics. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're just stopping by for the first time, you're most definitely welcome. I have been working in the data analyst career space for quite a while, and I've seen firsthand, right, the importance of statistics, which is usually a branch of mathematics. And I mean, you may be wondering, why do I even need to learn statistics? Why do I even need to learn mathematics? I mean, we all learned this growing up, right, in school, in our college years, in our secondary school years, even our primary school years, we learned all this, right? But yeah, I want you to understand why you should learn it if you're just looking to break into data analytics or data science in all entirety. So now, here are a couple of reasons why you should learn it, right? Now, the first point, it literally helps in representing values, right? So using central theory. The question is, when do you know it's your mood? How do you interpret your mood, right? How do you interpret your median, right? So your mean, mode, and median, these are things we learned back in school. But what does it mean? What does it represent? Learning statistics actually lets you understand how it works, right? And how to interpret these values. Also, you're able to analyze different shape of different data distribution, right? So it's a normal distribution, a positively skewed distribution, or a negatively skewed distribution as well too. And if you think about it, when it also even comes to visualizing your data, for example, how to understand trend patterns, outliers, right? Statistics helps you interpret that very well. When it also comes to even as a data scientist, so we know that we can actually interpret significance of values. For example, p-value, right? When it's less than or equals to 0.5, you can say that the value is actually statistically significant, right? How would you know that if you're not learning statistics or mathematics? Also, when it even comes to even understanding the relationship or distinguishing the relationship between an independent variable and a dependent variable, how do you know that, right? How can you determine the correlation? How do you understand the relationship, right, between the two variables? Learning maths would help you understand that really. Also, it's even needed, right, in also like understanding, for example, if you think about it, for a positive correlation, right, it means that the slope is usually going upward, right? So like if the values are your x-axis, right, when it's increasing, it means like y value also increases as well, right? So that shows a positive correlation. But when it's negative correlation, it means that when your x value is decreasing, your y value is also increasing, right? That shows a negative correlation. You're able to learn all this if you actually are learning statistics. And even as a data scientist, right, learning statistics is important because it forms the basic of most machine learning algorithms, right? Think about minimizing the sum of squared residuals used in gradient descent. You actually would know this if you're actually learning statistics. So last and most importantly, actually improves your analytical prowess, right? So in conclusion, while statistics is a subset needed as a skill to venture into the field of data science or data analytics, right, there are other concepts that are needed, right, that's on this field, right? So I'm not saying you should all go all hard for statistics, start learning other like adults, right? For example, having a good domain knowledge of field, right, you want to break into is important. Like I always preach, right? Also your BI tools like your Looker, your Tableau, your Microsoft Power BI, right, is also very important. Also your programming language like R or Python. These are things that are important in next on this field of data analytics or data scientists, right? Also research is also important, even when it comes to your data extraction, your data wrangling, your data cleaning, your data visualization. So guys, what this means is that regardless, you still need to learn statistics, whether or not you like it. So thanks so much guys for watching. If you actually did enjoy this video, ensure to give the thumbs up as well as comment as well. So let me know, share guys. I really love hearing like what your journey is like, right? How are you applying statistics in your learning journey as well too, right? Let me know where you're currently at in your learning journey as you're looking to break into data analytics, right? And ensure to also share and also ring the bell notification as well too, right? So that you'll be informed when a new video actually comes up, right? Until next time, have a great day guys. Bye.